So this is a service kit for 2.0 liter TDI 150 horsepower engine. And in this video we will use a man filter oil HU7020Z. So these are the required tools. And the first step is to lift the car and remove the underbody shield using a T25 and a T45 torques. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Then we will remove the T45 bolts. So then we will take the underbody shield out. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to take him out. Remove the drain plug with the 90mm socket and wait for the oil to drain. You can use a special container to collect the oil. So the next step is to remove the filter cap using a ratchet and an extension ratchet and a 32mm socket. Wait for the oil to drain, and then you can take the oil filler cap out. Collect the used oil in a special container. Then you can take it out. So this is the old filter. Clean the oil filter cap using a rag. Also remove the old O-ring from the oil filter cap and then replace it with a new one and install it back on its place. Feed the oil filter cap using a torque wrench and set the torque value for 25 Newton meters. Use a rag to clean the oil from the car parts. Then put the cables back on its place. And clean all the oil. Retighten the drain plug using a torque wrench and set the torque value for 28 Newton meters. Clean also the drain plug from the oil. Then install the underbody shield back on the car. Start from the front and then in the back. If you want to see the other tutorials on how to replace air filter or pollen filter or fuel filter you can find them in the video description. Then fill the engine with properly oil. For this engine 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower engine, we have used Castrol Edge 5W30 recommended by Volkswagen. So we put like 4.7 liters approximately. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comment section. So feed the cap from the oil filler hole. Then wait for 5 or 10 minutes for the oil to settle into the oil pan, and then check the oil level using the dipstick. Then start the engine and let it run for about 10 minutes until your Then check again after 10 minutes with the engine off. If the oil level is below the minimum mark, we would recommend adding more oil. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.